How to add video inside text in Premiere Pro. The video inside text effect is very simple to create and gives your video a nice look. The first thing to do is import a video clip that you want to use for this effect. Very logical. And now we need to add text. Use the text tool with the shortcut T and type the desired text and then center it. Use the font what you want to use and make the text bigger or smaller according to your preference. After you have your text, drag the text layer above the video layer in the timeline and adjust its length to match the video. Now go to the effects panel and search for the track matte key plugin. Drag the plugin into the text layer. Now in the effects control panel, change the matte setting to the video layer that you want to show inside the text. Add some scale to the text to give it a nice effect, so like what I do. There we go, you have successfully created a video inside text effect in Premiere Pro. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.